topic is aromatic hydrocarbons. Aromatic, aroma means smell. Hydrocarbon discovered by Kekulé. It is present in resins, kishmish, balsam, oil of bitter almond. Its characteristic is it is cyclic, unsaturated. Unsaturated means carried double bond, planar structure. If 6C is written over here is in the straight chain, then this straight chain or aliphatic form is known as hexane. But same 6 carbon form the ring or cyclic structure, then it is known as benzene ring. The double bond shift alternately in the ring, so we show it like a ring. So this is known as resonance structure. It has double bond alternately, so it is unsaturated in nature. Now, condition necessary for aromaticity: the molecule must be cyclic, that is in this form. It follow Huckel's rule. For example, Fn plus 2 is the formula of Huckel's rule. Aromatic compound must have this because of pi electron it must have this formula. For example, if in the formula n is equal to 0, then 0 into 4 is 0. Only pi electron contain 2 electron in the molecule. If n is equal to 1, then 4 ones are 4 plus 2, pi electron is 6 present in the molecule. The aromatic compound are of two types: benzonoid aromatic compound, non-benzonoid aromatic compound. So benzonoid contain benzene ring and non-benzonoid do not contain benzene ring, yet they have aromatic character. So first we discuss benzoid. Aromatic hydrocarbon also called as arenes. Benzoid also called as arenes. Arenes are of two types: monocyclic or mononuclear, that is contain only one ring. And next is polynuclear. Polynuclear are of two types: isolated and fused. So isolated, when two rings attach with the bond, such as diphenyl attached with the bond, then it is known as isolated ring. And fused or condensed ring attached directly, there is no bond. For example, naphthalene, anthracene, the ring get attached directly. There is no bond in between two rings. So this is the difference between isolated and fused condensed ring. Next is non-benzoid. When aromatic ring contain nitrogen atom, oxygen atom or sulfur atom, then this type of ring is known as heterocycle, because one of the atom get changed. So when N is attached to the ring, it is known as pyridine. When O is attached with the ring, then it is known as furane. When S is attached to the ring, then it is known as thiophene. In organic, sulfur is known as thio. Now homocyclic ring, there is no atom attached, only ion is there, so it is known as cycloprophenyl cation because of the plus. Here also cycloheptatrienyl cation, because this ring contains 7 carbon. Now 6 carbon containing pi electron with double and single bond is known as benzene nucleus. When 6 carbon contain pi electron, that is double and one bond, it is known as benzene nucleus. And when this benzene structure contain one bond, such as toluene, this chain of carbon atom attached to the benzene ring called side chain. This is known as side chain. Now come to the aryl group. It is of two types: radical obtained from benzene and radical obtained from toluene. When one H removed from the benzene, then bond occur in the on the benzene ring. When 2H removed, then 2 bond is occur. So when one bond is occur, then it is phenyl group. When 2 bond is occur, then it is known as ortho. In benzene, this is known as ortho position, this is meta position, and this is para position. So when bond attached to the ortho position, then it is known as orthophenyl group. Now come to radical obtained from toluene. When CH3 attach on the benzene ring, it is known as toluene. When one H is removed from it, then CH3 becomes CH2 with one bond, that is benzyl group. When another H removed from it, then CH2 becomes CH with two bonds, it is known as benzyl group. And another H is removed, then C have three vacant bond, that is known as benzo group. So my question is, what are aromatic compound? Write down its characteristic. Thank you.